Barbecue oysters stand as a beloved dish, filling the air with savory aromas and evoking cherished family moments. Grilled on the half shell, they're served with an array of flavorful sauces that enhance their appeal. Transitioning to a different delight, grilled frog legs offer a distinctive taste that captivates barbecue lovers. Their preparation involves careful marination followed by grilling, creating a memorable flavor profile that shines at social gatherings. Continuing the culinary journey, Grandpa's barbecue suckling pig emerges as an iconic highlight at family gatherings. The slow roasting process, combined with special seasoning, results in a mouth-watering dish that unites everyone around the table. Moving to another classic, charcoal grilled catfish embodies Southern cooking, drawing families together with its irresistible aroma and tender texture. This dish evokes fond memories of past gatherings, reinforcing the bond over shared meals. Grilled pork chops with peach glaze exemplify a perfect balance of sweet and tangy flavors, enhancing the dish's overall richness. This summer favorite resonates with comfort and a sense of home, making it a staple at family meals. As we delve deeper, we find smoked mullet, a cherished Southern delicacy particularly popular in coastal towns. This dish reflects tradition and comfort, often paired with creamy grits and hush puppies to enhance its nostalgic flavor. Next, smoked mushrooms stuffed with a flavorful mixture and soaked in beef broth elevate their rich taste, making them a barbecue favorite. This technique results in a delightful, juicy dish that consistently impresses diners. Recalling simpler times, Grandpa's barbecue quail serves as a nostalgic favorite. Marinated and grilled to perfection, this unique alternative to traditional meats evokes fond memories of family gatherings. Additionally, maple glazed turkey legs are marinated overnight to infuse deep flavor, then smoked for a rich taste. These legs symbolize the warmth and care inherent in family meals, often standing out during dinner gatherings. Shifting to a heartier option, grilled elk steaks are simply seasoned with coarse salt and black pepper, emphasizing the pure flavor of the meat. The searing technique in a cast iron skillet results in an irresistible crust. For a gourmet experience, smoked duck breast is marinated and smoked, yielding rich flavors. This exquisite dish has the power to transform any barbecue into a special occasion with its complex and enticing taste. Then there's Grandpa's barbecue goat, a family favorite that is marinated and grilled to perfection. This dish embodies a delicious tradition that everyone adores, contributing to memorable gatherings. Moreover, shrimp skewers are marinated with fresh herbs, garlic, and olive oil, creating a delightful blend of flavors that elevate the dish. This preparation method enhances the overall taste, making them a sought-after item. Barbecue brisket serves as a centerpiece in family meals, seasoned with a coffee rub that imparts a rich, complex flavor. Slow cooking is essential to achieve perfect tenderness, making it a beloved choice. Lastly, unique dishes like barbecue rabbit offer alternative options to traditional meals. Marinated in a flavorful blend, this recipe showcases creativity at family gatherings, leaving a lasting impression on those who partake.